welcome. So, new day, Monday today. I wasn't trading because because I didn't actually. I was at mall. I was buying some presents, for the Christmas. But like we have to do the journal of the price action, right? So let's do it. Let's actually start on daily. And we'll just discuss what happened, like normal tape reading, like analyzing and going deep into our favorite pair, right? Our favorite pairs. Sorry. Okay, so starting on daily, price reacted off of this daily FG that was this week. However, we closed bullish, and right now, if there would be a wait, okay, sorry, if there was a confirmation on 4 hour, for example, that we are more likely to take previous daily high instead of going lower, I would actually look for bullish prices despite price react over this daily FEG. Why? Because my general idea for the price action is that price will take those buys liquidity here. So I'm not really looking at this FEG as something that can push price lower, but it still can, But seeing that we closed, I would actually look for 4 hour, and I will keep in mind that there is probable that price may take this previous daily high to then reverse instead of reversing right now, So looking on daily, I would be more bullish despite we are in this daily FEG, but I would like to see confirmations on lower time frame that we really want to continue bullish. Going to 4 hour. Going to 4 hour. Let me actually clean this up. 1 hour, good. Going to 4 hour. This was the candle from 6 to 10, 6 to 10. So we can see that there was this change instead of delivery. Price created this 4 hour FPG. So seeing that, actually I would be looking for previous daily high, and I would look for price to manipulate in this 4 hour FPG to then continue higher. And so seeing that, I would like to see confirmations on lower time frames. On 4 hour, we also, after 10, the candle from 6 to 10 created this 4 hour FPG, which could act as a short-term troll if you took a 1 minute setup, for example. But 4 hour is also bullish. So going to 1 hour. Oh, and there is one important. Okay, I will mention it in a second. So going to 1 hour, we can see that actually. Let me do it first on NQ. There is midnight. This is 1 a.m. 1 a.m. We can see that London didn't manipulate higher. There was no manipulation. London continued going higher. In our 4 hour FEG. Yeah, there was no manipulation. On 15 minutes, we left equal highs here. And yeah, seeing that, I would, because of my bullish bias, I would look for price to manipulate into this 4 hour FEG, which aligned with this 1 hour FEG, to then continue higher. This also, there was this low which was close to this 1 hour FEG, which was really nice. Let me see 6. Oh, and one thing, actually that if you had traded London, we also opened with this devil mark, so you could be straight out bearish, So for example, if London had manipulated this previous daily high, then you could look for bearish prices, But if London manipulated as it did lower, then you would just look for this open here. So knowing our targets, that we are bullish, that we are looking for a manipulation, this 4 hour 1 hour FEG, we want to see confirmations on 15 minutes. So you could drag the fib from this manipulation from this midnight leg. It was nicely aligned with this 15th FEG, which was also below this 1 hour FEG, so perfect area to like make the low of the session. Is there anything special that I want to touch on? We left those equal highs here, 115 buy sell liquidity. There was actually a little SMT, but because it was like, look at the high, 32.75, 33, so like 0.25. Price took price made a sweep above like 0.25 tick, you know, or handle, I don't fucking know. So like I'm not really looking at this SMT, but yeah, you could look at it. But because of the fact that London didn't manipulate and I'm bullish, I will be looking for New York to manipulate and reverse the move, right? Also standard deviations, how I said, nicely aligned. So that's beautiful. That's fucking beautiful, bro. I really love to see things like that. So let's see. 5 minute. So yeah, like a lot of buy sell liquidity. There was no SMTs actually. Equal highs here. Clear. Buy sell liquidity here. 7. Let me actually. Is there anything special? Yeah, we can do it on 1 minute. 7. Nicely manipulate higher. This first time cycle, like right now, I'm looking more for those time cycles because this is something I want to learn. So we can also take a look on it right now. So let me actually see if there was any SMT on lows. Here. Not really. So 7 I manipulate higher. We didn't take this price liquidity. We built this buy side of the curve for market maker sell model. Some accumulation, manipulation, boom. Took those lows, another cycle, 830, look. 830 went lower because this is another time cycle. So we manipulate lower. Also one thing. So yeah, like right now I'll combine time cycles and generally my other concepts that I'm using on 1 minute, 6 minutes. This video, so good. I will like try to make this video as short as possible, but we have to do it with all the details, you know. So we can see that also right now, assuming that I'm looking for manipulation lower to then reverse the move. Preferably, I can keep in mind that preferably I want to see what is on lower time frame to like determine if the high is going to be put at like if what is going to be put first, low or the high. Because if high, then I will be looking for the low to be put at 10, but if low, then I will be looking for the low to be put between 9:30 to 10 to after 10, like, or below the 10 expand, but the low needs to be put in this time window. So seeing that 8:30 didn't manipulate, we left those sell side liquidity. Seeing that 9:30 made this sweep with SMT, actually at this time I would be looking for low to be put at 10, and I would look for price to manipulate into this area. And I would look for price to make the low, like how I said, after at 10. And right now, seeing that there was this SMT, look, there was this SMT, price went here, took this sell side liquidity here. Okay, sell side liquidity. Wait, I need to see one thing. Yeah, and one thing that I forgot to mention is that at this time, price was already in 4-hour FVG on ES, you know. But let me see, because I was thinking on it a bit, but I need to see if I wouldn't get trapped, you know, if I had been trading this session. Wait, I need to like go to open the door for my father, so I will be back in a minute. Yeah, okay, I'm back. So right now I'm just thinking if I wouldn't have got, like, if I wouldn't get trapped for this SMT, this 4-hour FVG, you know. Let me actually see, you know, because that's actually something that I would really like to. Yeah, so like we were here, there was this 15-minute FVG. Yeah, 15-minute FVG. No. Look, because we create this 15-minute FVG, I would look for 9:30 to make the high in this FVG, and I would still wait for NQ to manipulate into this 4-hour FVG, you know, like it was necessary. I would be more concerned. Wait, concern? I don't know if like the word is correct, but it's more likely for me that price was. It would be more likely for me the manipulation to this 4-hour FVG, despite ES had already manipulated there, because like this was an important level, you know. Like I wouldn't expect SMT here that NQ wouldn't manipulate there, you know. So seeing that, you could sell this breaker. This would be advanced entry. I would say like you would have to wait. You would have to trust your analysis to actually take this setup up. Then there was a nice setup. It was here. Look, 5 minute on ES on NQ. It wasn't that clear, but look, price made this breaker here. Still looking for this 1 hour FEG. It was at this time here, still looking for NQT, went lower. So knowing that, despite on ES price won this 4 hour FEG, knowing that ES and Q would still push price lower because of this fact, then I would just enter on ES. And also I think that ES was weaker. Yeah, ES was weaker because we took this sell liquidity. So I would just expect this 15th FEG, you know, and I would keep in mind that because NQ still had those pulls here, then price would continue to go lower. So yeah, but you could take this 5 minute breaker, but if you didn't take this 5 minute breaker, then you could just enter on the 1 minute breaker, you know. The price went to this 5 minute breaker, and then you could just enter on this 1 minute breaker, and it would be also a nice entry. Let me actually see. Yeah, depends on your stop loss, you know. There was this FEG, I would cover it. So something like that. I would target. Yeah, like one hour. Not that good as the entry here, but yeah, you would have to trust your analysis to take this entry here. Personally, I don't know if I had taken it, but yeah, like from right now, you know, in hindsight it looks clear. So going further, right now the low was created at 10:11, so it was the right low to the right level of 15th FEG discount. We are looking for higher prices because of this buy side liquidity, because of I would call them equal highs for me. Like I am buy side liquidity, so a lot of buy side liquidity. So because price manipulate lower, we are looking for a reversal higher. There was this awful accumulation here, and already seeing that there was this awful accumulation, you can expect a reversal after, like a small term reversal after taking like important level, like here price took midnight open, a reversal, like retracement. Sorry, it wasn't the base price action here, but I also don't see like things that could trap me because there was no breaker, you know. I would wait, and once price went this 5-minute FG, create this low, create this intermittent term high, and then we broke it again, I would look for bullish prices. And right now you can see this would be our first sign for me that we are, yeah, 100% we are going higher. Like of course 99, but we are going higher. And then what happened? So seeing that, you could look for our intermittent low on 3-minute. Wait, yes, yeah, intermittent low. Nothing on NQ. It would be this low here. On ES it would be this low here. So you don't expect price to go below this low because that's became the intermittent low on 3-minute. So yeah, and then we can see that price made an SMT. This became our intermittent low on 3-minute. Nice SMT here. Price is respecting. Price didn't take this intermittent low here. And right now we are looking for higher price. Also, price went here. We create this equal highs on 1 minute. Price went again lower. Soup here. Let me actually. That's beautiful, isn't it? I didn't see it, but yeah. Like those are the entry that one day I will be taking. You know, I will be taking those. They are so fucking beautiful, bro. Let me actually see one thing. Yeah, like the soup was created here. This candle confirmed this intermittent low. Price went straight back. You could sell here, you could buy here, stop loss here. Yeah, those are the entries that one fucking day I will be able to like. I will be able to take, you know. That's the fucking dream. ATR. Yeah, that's not needed, but like yeah, just to fulfill your you know, like your. That's just my goal. Okay, never mind. So price made a soup here. Then you could buy on this invert FEG. that would be also a nice entry, targeting IM buy sell liquidity lie at midnight open. If you didn't, if you hadn't take this, if you had not take this trade, then price create this 5-minute order block, which was another confirmation that we are continuing higher. 5-minute FEG, you could just buy here silver bullet entry. If not, then you could just wait, because then there was a nice breaker here. Price went this 5-minute FEG, confirmed a 15-minute intermittent low, price break, close above it, 1-minute breaker, sweep here on this low. You don't expect price to go below it. Boom, 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 boom. You can look for soups. Price make a soup here, SMT. You could just buy on this breaker or this soup, or you could just wait and buy another inverted FEG. This would be a like IAAA plus setup here, like everything was aligning, targeting IM buy sell liquidity. And yeah, that's let me actually copy that shit out. Yeah, 12 p.m. What time the high was great? Okay. Yeah, and price touched midnight order block on midnight. Went again lower into 15th FG here. Another opportunity to buy, especially on this breaker here, because we still had objectives here. Yeah, you could look for the manipulation here as a MMX, but micro little, but we were too close to this shit, you know. And price again went discount, went to the premium discount, boom, breaker, targeting this buy sell liquidity. And so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, we are take care, and we are seeing tomorrow. If of course I need to right now, because the price action can be messy a bit, I will decide if it's worth to make a review or not, but I will try to make it every day to keep consistency here. So yeah, take care, and we are seeing you in the next one.